We were hiking in Kauai and felt like something's missing. Oh yeah, an adorable adoptable dog from the Kauai Humane Society. Meet Alita. This cutie was our dog for the day when we visited the beautiful island of Kauai, Hawaii. We took her to a doggy day hike at the Quilau Ridge Trail that is 3.6 miles round trip at moderate difficulty. She had so much energy and so much fun, sniffing the fresh forest air and playing with any branches she can get her paws on. Reservations can be made online, but they also take walk-ins. The Kauai Humane Society provides a backpack for all of her essentials: treats, toys, water bottle, doggy bowl, poop bags, and a towel. Check out our full vlog and experience in the video link below.